I'm working on an electric fence to move the sheep into. As you can tell from that footage, these posts are really hard to get in because that dirt is really dry. So I'm getting this hammer and I'm gonna hammer it in. See if that helps any. All right, so it looks like I hammered the thing off to drive this thing in, so that's fun. I just started hammering the top and that seems to help more. Got the fence put up, now I'm gonna fix any mistakes I made along the way. I just set a trap for any animal that's trying to get these chickens in here. All right, for my third chore today, I'm gonna move all these 2x4s into that trailer for the barn. I have to move these to the trailer so we can move it to the barn to work on. We're almost done with the flooring, and so we have some other things on there we need to work on after that. We had a pretty big pile, so it took me like an hour to get all this. By the way, the reason I have those headphones on my head is because I listen to music while I do all this. All right, I'm done. See this big hole? I have to fill it up. Alright, I'm going to the new sheep's pen because we just put the sheep in there. There's the ram. He's digging in something over there. They're all laying down over there so you can't really see them. I also moved the 2x4s from the trailer into here. Abel, did you find a turtle?
Yes, I did. His name is Gary.
Alright, that's the end of this video. I'll probably do another video sort of like this soon, so stay tuned for that and I'll see you in the next one.